Hi all, welcome to my video. My name is Diva, and in this project I'll talk about a reading push button project I've done using Arduino, LED, and a push button. As you can see, we do have Arduino here. This is the Mega 2560. We do have the LED. We do have the push button plus resistors. So this resistor has got a value of 10 kilo ohms. Mainly the purpose for it is to pull up the button. So at this stage the button is pulled high, so when it's not pressed it's high, so meaning that when it's high it reads a value of 1, and when it reads a value of 1, that means the LED stays on. But the minute you press the button, okay, when the button is pressed, that means the button is pulled low, from high to low, meaning that the LED as well will switch off. So let's see. And you can see now this project works. So welcome any questions, or if you want to reach out to me, I've left my contact details on my website. Thank you.